Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we discussed DJI Mic Mini's key features. We also tested connectivity to different devices and audio quality. Please continue to watch this video. DJI Mic Mini can be purchased in different bundles. You can buy one transmitter plus one receiver combo, and it is priced just right. You can also buy two transmitters plus one receiver plus charging case combo, but the price is double. Or you can just buy one transmitter, which is the cheapest option. I only needed one transmitter, so I got this option of one transmitter plus one receiver combo. The DJI Mic Mini is a compact and budget-friendly wireless microphone system designed for content creators who prioritize portability and simplicity. With its lightweight transmitters and discreet design, it caters to vloggers, content creators, and podcasters looking for quality audio without breaking the bank. Inside the box, you can see the receiver, transmitter, charging dock, compact carrying pouch, clip magnet, Type-C adapter, two windscreens, camera audio cable, charging cable, and documents. The DJI Mic Mini transmitter is small and ultralight, weighing only 10 grams. Compared to the Mic 2 transmitter, the Mic Mini transmitter is 50% smaller in size and 60% lighter. The receiver weighs 18.2 grams. Being lightweight makes it comfortable to wear and discreet. The transmitter and receiver offer a maximum operating time of 11.5 and 10.5 hours respectively, and achieve a total of 48 hours of extended use with a fully charged case. DJI Mic Mini supports omnidirectional audio recording. The receiver can pair with two transmitters simultaneously. High-quality audio can be transmitted stably up to 400 meters. This is a test recording with phone microphone. This is a test recording with DJI Mic Mini. DJI Mic Mini has two-level active noise cancellation. The basic level is perfect for quiet indoor settings, reducing fan, air conditioning, and reverb noises while preserving vocal clarity. The strong level excels in noisy environments, significantly cutting ambient noise for clearer vocals. This is a test recording with DJI Mic Mini, noise cancellation on. The gain can be quickly adjusted in 5 levels using the dial on the receiver, making operation convenient and efficient. The transmitter supports direct Bluetooth connection to Osmo Action 5 Pro, Osmo Action 4, or Osmo Pocket 3 without a receiver and delivers premium audio, simplifying your gear and workflow for a more efficient creative process. DJI Mic Mini is compatible with DJI Neo. Once the drone is connected to the DJI Fly app, connect it to the DJI Mic Mini via the smartphone's Bluetooth for audio recording. The app also eliminates propeller noise and merges the audio track with the footage, ensuring clear sound even shooting low-altitude vlogs. The receiver is compatible with cameras, smartphones, computers, and tablets. The transmitter can connect to phones via Bluetooth with no receiver required. The receiver plugs directly into your device with no complicated setup, no Bluetooth, no app required. For mobile phones, plug the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically. And once the light becomes steady, recording can begin. For Insta360 Ace Pro 2, remove the camera's USB cover first, then plug the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically, and you can see a moving green bar at the top of the screen. For DJI Pocket 3, besides direct connection, you can also plug the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically, and you can see a moving green bar at the top of the screen. All in all, the DJI Mic Mini is an affordable, simple, and effective tiny wireless microphone system. It may not have the pro features as DJI Mic 2, but its ease of use makes up for the lack of advanced features. It's suitable for most people as the ideal first microphone upgrade from their phone's built-in mic who want to boost the quality of their audio. It's also a good choice for creators who need a tiny microphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.